Hey everybody, Jake here, taking a look at this beautiful wooden swing stand from a company called SUNCREAT. I love SUNCREAT, their hammocks are outstanding, and I love some of these new wooden products they've been adding to their lineup. This swing is gorgeous. It's a beautiful, rich, deep, brownish tan color. It's very stable. I've actually assembled it twice because we relocated it, and despite getting bumped around a little bit, it is a remarkably solid product, capable of holding up to 800 pounds. The seat is about 61 inches long, so you can seat about 3 people on here. It's very comfortable, and I attribute that to the small gaps in between the slats. As you can see, the gaps are wide enough to breathe and clean, but not so far apart that you feel it in your back. The construction is pretty solid. There was quite a bit of assembly with this. Took me about 2 hours to put together. There are a lot of screws, but all the hardware I think helps make this a really solid unit. The stand is about 70 inches high and 83 inches wide with triangular legs that are about 55 inches deep. SUNCREAT gets my respect because this isn't fake wood. This is solid wood. It's not prefabricated. This is legit. And for the price, highly affordable, very classy looking. We love it.